I'm going to be doing a makeover or some upgrades in my townhouse. So guys, hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I think I'm going to be doing some DIYs and some upgrades to my townhouse. Um, if you don't know, I think I've had this townhouse since 2004, January 2004, and I am rarely here. My son's here, so I try to come back from time to time to check on it to see, if it needs anything, and it really does. I mean, there's some. It was brand new in 2004, um, but over time, the house settles and things start to need some need some attention. Like we have nail pops. I notice not just the nail pops, but also along like the baseboards, especially the baseboards coming up the stairs. They need to be, there's some cracks in them where it seems to be separating from the wall. So that needs to be filled in. The bathrooms, I wanted to do the bathrooms, not totally do the bathrooms, but like the floor, replace the tile and I've seen some tile around. I've seen some that vinyl tile is really really nice looking these days. That's very popular too. I saw some vinyl tile for that was like a peel and stick tile, and I'm thinking I might want to do something like that for the bathrooms. We have 4 bathrooms, so I probably need to do that. Television came on. So if you're up for a vlog type rehab, it's not a rehab, I don't know if I call it a rehab, but some upgrades to my townhouse. And I'll also take some suggestions too. I want to start with the kitchen cabinets, and I'm debating about the color. I'm inserting some footage here, but I was thinking about doing like the top cabinets white and the bottom cabinets in blue. So I ordered some paint for the bottom cabinets. Let me just grab that real fast. Where is it? I thought I had it handy. Hang on a second. All right, so I got the paint. And the paint, I got this paint from oh, it's the flowers. This paint, we ordered this paint from Amazon. It's a Nuvo paint kit. Nuvo paint kit. And it comes with a brush, 2 rollers, 2 pints of paint. And the color that I ordered was Oxford blue. And I'm looking forward to that. It's not a navy blue. It's a different kind of blue. It's not a royal blue. Maybe it's like a combination of a royal and a navy or something like that. But hold on. Anyway, so that's what I'm thinking of doing. The kitchen first. I don't know. It just seems like it's kind of overwhelming. I've been watching tutorials and what have you. One of the good things though is that I have the paint sprayer. So I have 2 paint sprayers here, and so that would make it relatively easy, I think. But anyway, tell me if you're up for like a vlog style of life on Greenwood. That would include some upgrades that I do around my townhouse. And not just upgrades, but while I'm here, what I'm doing, going to the gym, that kind of thing. Let me know if you're up for that. I think that would give you guys a little bit more insight into me. So let me know if you're up for it. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments below. And I'll try to take you along as best as I can with what I'm doing here. Okay, guys, so it's a vlog style life on Greenwood. Oh, let's call it maybe New Jersey vlog life on Greenwood, something like that. I'll work on the title. So you'll know that when these videos come up that it's being done from this New Jersey location. Okay, thanks guys so much. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm here talking about thrifting most of the time and picking up thrifted stuff and DIYs and a little home decor. And you know, I love my blue and white, but so hit the subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.